Ojok Andrew Oulanyah was elected as the member representing Omoro County. Madam Speaker, the member-elect is available and is ready to take and subscribe to the oath of allegiance and of Member of Parliament. Madam Speaker, I seek your indulgence to allow him to come forward and take the oath.
Permission granted to allow Mr. Andrew Ojok Oulanyah to access the chambers.
I, Ojok Andrew Oulanyah, swear in the name of the Almighty that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Ojok Andrew Oulanyah, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.